friends, I'm Mike, and this is Lee.
Hey.
Lee's gonna teach me how to make apple and pumpkin dog treats today. If you're spending a lot of time at home, you're probably spending a lot of time with your dog as well. So this is a great way to give them a little something extra, some extra treats while you're home alone with them. So Lee, what are we gonna need today?
Well, there's some ingredients in front of you, Mike. You're first gonna need some oatmeal or some oats.
So we've got some oats.
You're gonna need a medium apple.
Medium size apple.
You'll need 1 egg. You're gonna need some canned pumpkin.
Canned pumpkin.
And that's all the ingredients you need.
Awesome. We've also got a few other utensils here to use, some measuring cups, a food processor. This is an apple cutter. Things like the cutter and the food processor and the can opener can create sharp edges. So this is a great activity to do as a family. So if kids are involved, have your parents help you out with cutting these things and breaking them down so that you don't cut yourself while you're doing it. But there's lots of mixing that can be done too. We've also got a spoon and a couple large bowls, and we are currently preheating our oven to 400 degrees.
Alright, so we are going to be halving the recipe today, but we are going to include the entire recipe online for you. So Mike, you're gonna need your food processor, and you're gonna need the oats. So those oats are gonna go in the food processor. We're basically gonna grind down the oats with the food processor. Great job, Mike. All right, now Mike is going to cut an apple. We're being careful to exclude the core and the seeds of the apple. And again, we're halving our recipe, so we only really need just about half of this apple. Once Mike gets that cut up, we're actually going to be putting this into the food processor. On the recipe that you will have, it'll say grate the apple. We're using the food processor just to speed things up just a bit. Alright, so Mike is actually going to take a little bit of the oats and use it as a dusting on a cutting board, and that's going to be reserved later when we start rolling out and cutting our dog treats. Now that he's got some reserved, he's going to take the apple from the food processor, add it to the oats. All right, so Mike has got his egg. He's gonna put that into his mixture of apple and oats. Nice clean break.
I'm gonna go wash my hands now.
So now we're back. We're gonna do a half cup of pumpkin. Again, we're halving the recipe. And that goes into the bowl with the egg, the apple, and the oats, and gets mixed well. All right, so now Mike is going to take his mixture, put it on that cutting board with a dusting of oats, flatten it out. And he's going to take whatever cookie cutter he prefers. Today it's a heart. And he's gonna press a cookie into the shape of a heart. Might be a bit hard to get onto the cookie sheet, but that's okay. There we go.